Righto, so I've got that as near round as I can get it, and I've taken off the pieces that I don't want on it. I've got it between centres now, and I'll start rounding this around and making a 10 and then on this bottom side. So here we go. Well, that's looking quite nice. There's the 3 limbs that were coming out, like a double limb going in there. I think I probably need to take just a very, very small amount off now, because I actually want to keep this as a feature in the side wall of the bowl as an inclusion, along with these inclusions here. Didn't particularly want that in the base though, but I suppose we have to live with it. So I think this is going to be quite a nice piece. Move this around and we'll start back here again, work our way forward again. What I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to slot this like this, and I'll take it a little bit deeper, and I'm going to leave a foot also on the center here and just take this nub away. Obviously I'll do that a little bit later, but I just thought I'd get this tenon in while I can. Just a little bit of tear out there. Not really a lot I can do about that. Well, I've just carried out a bit of sanding, and if you see these marks here, they're not actually tool marks at all, they're actually in the wood. It looks a bit smoky, but there you go. It's got some odd features in it, and even some odd colours. But it's looking quite interesting. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'll just take this, just clean this up a little bit more, and take this down a bit, then turn it around and chuck it up and start scalloping the inside out. Okay, so I've turned it around now after sanding, and well, I suppose it's dig the inside out now. This should be interesting. Get the face mask on. Because I have that void in the base, I can't really go too much deeper than that, so I'm just going to slightly round this in here now and get rid of this stub in the middle, and I'm not going to be able to go down too much deeper than that at all. Anyway, it's turning out to be quite a nice piece, so we'll continue. And this is what I've been striving for these past 4 hours, is the double flame.